Now on the Ulead DVD Movie Factory, there is one option that is the capturing videos directly to the DVD. In this case, if you have your camera attached, let's say it's a mini DV camera, you can capture directly from the camera, and you can go directly and it will cache it into the memory, and then you can, when you export to your DVD, always again highest quality, 720 by 480, that's the one you're going to typically always want to go to. And make sure your folder where your temporary file is going to be, make sure it's got plenty of room on that drive, and then you can go ahead and capture. And like I say, in the Ulead DVD Movie Factory, this will take it directly off the tape, put it on the computer for you, and then it will take it and capture it and send it directly to the DVD. Very, very simple process. Then you can take the DVD, pull it out, pop it in your player, and watch it and share your home videos with your whole family.